Hello, thank you for checking out our video. Today here at the Auto Connect in Ocean Springs, we have a 2011 Volkswagen Jetta SE for sale. 104,000 miles, it was just serviced. Do a walk around video. As you can see, the body on this car has scratches. A couple of dings, as you can see, on different panels. We'll just do a walk around. Just serviced it though. Mechanically, car is really solid, but there is some scratches here on the trunk. Drives really well. Ding right here, scratch right there on the door. Hood has multiple scratches in it. Does have leather interior. Interior is clean. Has a seat cover. There is a tear under that seat cover. There's a tear here on the back seat as well. I'll go ahead and start her up. 104,950 miles. If this is something you might be interested in, please give us a call at 228-438-2056. You can text us as well. Check out more of our inventory at www.theautoconnectllc.com. Please like, comment, share, and subscribe if you know somebody who might be interested. Thanks for checking out our video.